Today, we proudly break ground on the Tantangan solar power plant, not only the largest facility in South Cotabato, but the biggest of its kind in Mindanao today. But this project is about more than just science. It's about vision and responsibility. It's our contribution to the Philippines' national commitment to a just and inclusive energy transition.
This groundbreaking ceremony of the proposed solar energy project of vogt is a defining moment of our municipality, a step forward in our collective pursuit of progress that is sustainable, inclusive, and future-ready.
This solar farm project is more than just an infrastructure. It is a symbol of progress, sustainability, and shared commitment to a brighter future. And it will spark economic activity, create local jobs, and usher in new opportunities, not just for Tantangan, but the entire province of South Cotabato.
It is a testament to what can be accomplished when strategic vision aligns with strong partnership and a clear commitment to a sustainable development. This facility will not only generate clean indigenous energy, but also deliver concrete socio-economic benefit. It reduces our reliance on imported fossil fuel, mitigate greenhouse gas emission, and support the national energy security. The DOE commend vogt and its partner collaborators for successfully bringing this project to reality.
It is both an honor and a privilege to address you all today as we break ground on what will soon become another milestone in our shared journey towards accelerating the access to clean energy in Southeast Asia and the Philippines. As we break ground today, let it symbolize not only construction, but also the building of a foundation of a deep-rooted partnership built on a vision of a greener tomorrow between vogt, BII, and Pentagreen, with the support of local stakeholders.
And vogt as a company, this is a very special event today because it marks a 10-year anniversary since the first time actually to the Philippines in my life, working on a project which was also the first project of the company here in the Philippines, which is a solar plant project. It was a project that we had the groundbreaking for in August 2015. So for vogt, we've been in the Philippines for 12 years. Now, back then it was a 6 megawatt project. Now, 10 years later, we're doing 100 megawatt. So this also shows how far this industry has come over the last decade here in the Philippines, but also worldwide. And I really want to thank especially the local community, the landowners, the LGU, the city, and also the province of South Cotabato, for supporting us through this journey, the patience throughout the process, and now finally everything comes together, and hopefully with a battery attached, which will be also then one of the first hybrid projects that we as a company will be doing. And I do believe it will be not only the largest project of this nature here in Mindanao, but also the first battery plus solar project in all of Mindanao. So we're very excited about that.